Hi, my name is Mr. Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to use some very simple tools to make your online learning videos. First is this app that I'm using right now called screenapp.io. It's a free website that's a screen recorder. It's very simple to use. You just click start and stop recording right down here. There's no watermark or major time limitations or anything like that. And when you're done recording and you click stop, a little window will pop up over here on the left-hand side that says your video is ready, and you go ahead and download it. I usually just download it to my desktop. You can download it to other files, of course. A couple quick tips before we move on. I usually get rid of my bookmarks bar up here and any like download notifications or anything like that down here on the bottom. Just gives me more screen real estate to be able to present a cleaner presentation to other people. Now, I also make sure that there's no confidential information in other tabs, like, for example, a student IEP or 504. I go ahead and exit out of those before I move on. So once you got your video downloaded, you can go ahead and open up Windows Movie Maker, which is pre-installed on your Windows laptop. Here's that video right here. I just go ahead and click and drag it right over here, and there's my video clip. Now, I'm going to probably do another video on how to edit videos, so forth and so on, and best practices, but I will share with you two simple principles that I've taught people for years when it comes to making videos for your classroom, and that is first, keep it short. 5 minutes or less is usually best, just because of attention spans. And second, you want to make sure that you're making files that aren't really tedious and hard to upload and download, so forth and so on. So keeping it at 5 minutes or less is usually the best. Second is you want to keep it very simple and succinct. Good educators know that you chunk lessons down for students. Same thing applies when you're making videos. You want to make them very simple, very clear, right to the point. You're not trying to teach the whole lesson in one video. And when you're done editing your videos, you might be tempted to click on this YouTube button up here to just go ahead and upload it real quick to YouTube. But watch what happens when you do that. It's going to make you sign into a Microsoft account. You probably don't want to do that. Maybe you do. But I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this and just show you an easier way that I usually use. I click on File. I'm going to save the movie. You might actually have to save the project first. So sometimes it won't let you actually click on this. You actually have to name the project first. But once you got that named, I usually go for the highest definition possible. That is because YouTube automatically downsizes the files and the video playback based on that person's connectivity. That is, if they have a really weak Wi-Fi connection or whatever, the YouTube video will play at a lower rate. So it's always better, since it automatically does it, it's always better to have your highest definition you can possibly get. So I'll go ahead and just call this My Movie 1. And it's going to download this movie, but as it's doing that, I'm going to come back over here and show you. Now, once you're uploading your YouTube video, you just go ahead and click on Create, click Upload Video. It'll pop up this little box just like this, and you just drag and drop it or select your file, and that's how you get it onto YouTube. And from there, you can, of course, post links to it, say, for example, Schoology, or and you can put it inside of Google Docs, so forth and so on. So hope you enjoyed this video.